Hi, my name is Romero, and I would like to welcome you to the Lacerte Link integration video. Today I would like to demonstrate how you can save up to 18 minutes per return with using Intuit Link within Lacerte. Before we get started, I'd like to give you a quick overview on why we think Intuit Link is the right tool for you and your client. With Intuit Link, you can quickly create and send personalized digital client checklists to clients based on their prior year tax return, receive documents securely from a client's computer or mobile device, and know when you have all of the client's documents and data you need to start the return. So let's get started. Clicking on Invite on the Intuit Link column. Let's go ahead and invite this client by clicking on Invite in that column. On the Invite Clients to Use Link screen, you can choose to send the engagement letter, questionnaire, and the checklist. To edit the engagement letter, click the Edit button underneath the Engagement Letter section. You can modify the engagement letter by typing directly in the body of the letter. The drop-down menu allows you to select a different letter. You can add new engagement letters from this screen and delete any unwanted engagement letters. Next, we have the questionnaire. To modify the questionnaire, click Edit. Here you can add additional questions by clicking the Add New Question button. Type the new question and then select whether it should be a yes or no or an open-ended question. You can also delete questions by clicking the trash can icon. The Add button at the top of the screen allows you to create a custom questionnaire from scratch, while the Delete button allows you to remove any questionnaires from your pick list. Finally, we have the document checklist. The checklist is automatically generated based on the information that was performed from the prior year's return. In this example, the program is requesting documents for a W-2 from Intuit, a 1099 INT from Bank of America, and a 1099-B from Fidelity. You can also add or remove items from this checklist. When you are satisfied with your selections, click the Invite button to send the invite to the client. The Intuit Link column will now show invitation pending for this client. Your client will receive an email inviting them to use Intuit Link. From this email, they can click Sign Me Up, which will take them to the Intuit Link for Taxpayers website. To simplify signing up for Link, the taxpayer must use the email address the invitation was sent to as their Intuit Link user ID. If the taxpayer already has an Intuit online account with the email address the invitation was sent to, they can use those credentials to sign in. If they do not have an account, they will be prompted to create one. Upon signing in, the taxpayer is welcome to Intuit Link. To begin using Link, they need to click Let's Get Started. Next, the taxpayer is taken through a brief tutorial that will show them how to answer questions and upload documents to send to their preparer. After completing the brief tutorial, they are taken to their To-Dos tab, where they can work through the list of questions and document requests provided by their preparer. They can go through the questions one at a time, or click View Questions in List to see all requests. The Document tab allows them to review all documents they have uploaded and documents their tax preparer has shared with them. Typically, the taxpayer will begin with their to-do list. They can answer questions by selecting yes or no. They can also enter comments they like associated to any of the questions, or upload any documents to those questions. For document requests, the taxpayer will be prompted to add a document. There are three options for downloading documents. The first option allows the taxpayer to enter credentials from banks and investment accounts that have issued tax documents such as 1099s to have an electronic copy be sent to Intuit Link. If the taxpayer has a scanned copy of the document, they can choose to upload it from their computer to Link. The taxpayer can also log into Link from a mobile device and take a photo of a document and upload it. Once the documents are all uploaded, the Documents tab gives them a brief summary of all documents they have shared with their preparer. The Progress tab gives them an overall view of their progress in Link. The taxpayer does not have to complete all tasks at once. Link is designed for the taxpayer to provide this information year-round, and once they are at 100% complete, they know they have provided you with everything you need to complete their return. The preparer can log into the Intuit Link for Accountants website by clicking the hyperlink on the Intuit Link column, or by clicking on Go to Intuit Link from the Tools menu. You want to use your Intuit credentials to sign in. Once logged in, you will be able to view all the clients that you have invited to Intuit Link along with their progress. You will be able to see updates on recent progress that your clients are making under the Client Activities section. Clicking on a client's name will show the client's responses to the questions you have provided. The Add Request button will allow you to send additional requests to the taxpayer. Intuit Link not only allows your clients to send documents to you, you can also send documents to them by clicking Attach Files and then selecting a document from your computer. The Documents tab gives you a summary of all documents the taxpayer has shared with you and the documents you have shared with the taxpayer. Once the client has completed all items you have requested from them, their status in Lacerte will change to completed. Thank you for watching a demonstration of Intuit Link in Lacerte. Intuit Link is designed to help alleviate the stress taxpayers have of not knowing what their preparers need and helps them get that information to the preparer, while reducing the amount of time preparers spend on collecting data and giving them more time to work on returns. We hope you find this feature helpful.